YouTube, it's winter. Winter in Western Pennsylvania. I mean, snow and cold, and you kind of, it's time for bike maintenance. There's a new drone in town. It's called the DJI Mini 2. And I know you're all wondering, not does it blend, but will it fit in my Tusk Olympus large tank bag? So let's find out. It's hard to understand just how small this drone is and how amazing it is that it can get 4K footage. The Fly More pack comes with the drone, the controller, and a battery charger, complete with 3 batteries, one of which is in my drone. So will it fit? Will the Fly More combo fit? So, Fly More combo pack, Tusk Olympus large tank bag. Tools and equipment that I normally carry in my tank bag. We'll pull those out because we're going to make this a drone carrier. All right. Now that the tank bag is empty, let's see what we can fit in here. Drone. Controller. Battery box. And there you have it. The DJI Mini 2 Fly More pack easily fits inside the Tusk Olympus large tank bag.